Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? This is Mustafa from Mechanic and Hydraulic World page. Today our lesson about how to insert the two cylinders inside the boom for the groove crane. It's a good lesson. The previous two videos we talk about the operation of the telescope, how open and close. The second video, previous video, was how to install the cylinders, the rods inside the barrel. Now we want to fix these two inside the sections. So this is the upper, this is the lower cylinder. Insert here a piece of wood, so we'll make both of cylinders will be parallel. Okay, then tight it by belt here, because when we want to lift it at the end of the cylinder we have universal, so it will be difficult to fix. So in this way it will be better. So now we want to insert both of cylinders inside this section, and this section they call it fly section. Okay, this is the fly section for groove crane. Here we have the lower cylinder, the final check for the bolts, for the holding valves. Must check because it's difficult to open. One more time. Here we have the pads. Okay, arrange clean area, preparing the wire rope, the cables, put the plastic, keep everything clean. These cables for retract the sections, we have 6 cables, 4 extend cable and 2 retract cables. I will show you how to fix them. First step, spread the wire cables, 2 on the left side, 2 on the right side. Okay, now we want to insert them. This is the end of the cables. We want to insert them inside. Now after good alignment, okay, we want to insert it inside the fly jet. Now regarding these 2 pieces of wood, we put them temporary to make them both cylinder level. And when we insert the half of the telescopes, we will remove this one, okay? Don't keep it inside. Also, this belt, we will remove it. And when the telescope, when the boom reach to here, okay, we will remove this piece also of wood. We will not keep it. This is same tools, we use it to make them parallel, to insert them for good alignment. Now we'll start to put the cables inside the pulley.
Okay, hold there. Then it's hold.
Always take care of the direction of the cables. No need to twist them, never.
Hold, Dennis.
Now fix the lock with the bolts. Okay, tight it full tight. So now these 4 cables are ready. Now we want to insert the retract cables. This is for extend, this 4. Here we have 2 for retract. 1 here and 1 here. Tie the bolts here for the wear pads. Okay. Last check. We can fix also this cable. Put it like this, finish. And then put 1 cable tight for temporary. So we have here 2, 1, 2 for retract and 4 for extend. Prepare everything. Now we want to insert the 2 booms inside the fly, the first section.
Hold these 2, huh?
اوكي فهم شو فهم
Up, power.
Now we try to insert it slowly, be careful, 100%.
Push.
Okay, now we are inserting.
Okay. Wait.
Now when you insert the 2 cylinders around 30 centimeters, here we have a place to fix side pads. Don't forget them. You fix them, then you push it to the end. This is what I mean. You will fix it here. Okay, like this. Now we fix this side pad, both side right and that side left. Okay, don't forget them because they are guide the telescope, the cylinders inside the fly section. Still remember this upper cable which we fix it here, 1 here and 1 there. So we will fix them with the pulley and we will insert them here through that one, and we tight it by rope to the end of the fly. I will show you where. To here, 1 hole here and 1 hole is here. We put a rope, okay, to pull the cable. 1 here and 1 here. Now insert this piece of wood with 4 holes and put the 4 cable inside it. So when you fix the cables, so we will not twist them. It will guide them for the correct position. Now the last physical check. The most important thing is this 4 wire cables. These 2 and these 2 here. We want to check them inside on the shafts. No need to twist them. Each cable sitting in the correct shape, okay? And follow it to the end. Make them straight, so no need to twist. After that we will face big problem. And now this is the final check. Then we will start to insert this barrels, cylinders inside the boom. Now insert the first cable to the end, to the nose of the fly, okay? Then insert the second one here. Now tight the nuts here for the cables, and now we will start to insert the cylinder inside the fly. Groove.
Okay.
is ready. When it will be finished, it will be like this, in this way. Okay, already that both of cylinders insert inside the ply, and the lower one, this is the distance, it will be stay like this, and this is the second one. We will still keep this belt because no need to twist the cylinders. Okay, then we want to insert, now we want to lift this section complete with the two cylinders, and we will insert them here inside. Okay, alignment for the light, and we will insert it in the outer net.
መለስ ይሄ በጣም ሳይነሳ አይቀርም።
The first section, the second section. Put all the cable inside and tied by rope, and we pull it from there together with the fly section. Tie this one like this, put piece of wood, and later you remove everything from here, from the end there. Now it's already inserted inside the outer mitt. Now fix the first pulley here with the wire rope. Now we will fix the second one. Okay, this one is ready. Here the 4 bolts. And now we fix the right pulley with the rope. Okay, full tight. And take care inside the cable is not twisted or mixed. 1, 2 here. Okay, put the light of grease here. This will be ready. Okay, tight it by belt and insert it here. This is the third section.